Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I want you to think back about what do you know about the different seasons. Our seasons are spring, summer, fall, and winter. So think for just a second on what you actually know about the seasons. Okay, I was thinking that in the springtime, you might see a lot of rain, some flowers start to bloom. In the summertime, school is out and we get to go to the pool or play outside a lot because it's nice and warm and sunny most of the time. And then in the fall, most of the leaves turn beautiful colors like orange and red and yellow, and then they fall to the ground, just like they do in the fall. And then in the winter, if we're lucky enough here in Georgia, we might see some snow. It doesn't happen very often, but when it does, it's very exciting. So keep that in mind when you think about what you already know about the different seasons. Go ahead and click on the link at the top of the page, and it's right here if you can see my pointer. It is about the seasons, and I just want you to watch that for a minute, and then we'll come back into an activity. So for this next activity, we are going to make a seasons foldable. You don't necessarily have to cut this out and fold it. You can just draw straight on the paper. You're going to need the paper from the packet, and you're also going to need either like some crayons or some markers, maybe some colored pencils. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw some pictures that represent the different seasons. And then after you draw them, I want you to think what is the same about a season and then what is different. And share that with either your parents or a sibling as soon as you know what you think the similarities and the differences are. Enjoy!